Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to undelete a Google Docs spreadsheet that you've deleted. So you have up to 30 days once you've deleted it in order to recover it. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the hamburger icon in the top left corner of any Google Docs application like Sheets, Docs, or Slides. And then you want to select where it says Drive at the bottom. Select the trash button on the left panel, and then locate the item you want to restore, the three-dotted icon next to it, and select Restore, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.